My name is Ben Kelly, and I'm part of the Building Safety Consultancy team at Altair. This video provides a brief overview of the impact of regulatory changes on housing providers, what you need to do, and how DynamicAIM can help make compliance straightforward. Following the tragic events of the 14th of June 2017 at Grenfell Tower, and in line with the recommendations laid out in the Hackett Review Report, the Building Safety Bill will become the Building Safety Act and will be enshrined in law. The new regulatory framework will require that you develop a safety case for each and every one of your in-scope buildings. Part of this is keeping a golden thread of information, which should be digitised and will require a new way of system-based thinking. Our advice to clients is to start now. You need to be looking at your buildings as a system, assessing the risks for fire spread and structural failure, for both your existing stock and the buildings in your pipeline. You need to be thinking about what data you want to capture, what data you already hold, how that data is organised and how you're going to manage it. Demonstrate to the regulator that you are doing the right thing now, taking steps to build your safety cases. We can help you understand what your safety case drivers are, what the outputs of the safety case need to be, what information you need to have in place and be managing properly in order to produce those outputs. We can help you on your journey to meet the requirements of the regulator. As well as providing consultancy support, Altair are working with our software partner CADline and have developed a tool to effectively manage data, which helps to build the safety case and sets the foundation for BIM implementation. Securely accessed via the web, DynamicAIM gives users access to the client's portfolio of buildings and all of the data and documents held for those buildings, anywhere and at any time, providing an accessible platform for managing building safety information. You can easily access information on specific buildings by selecting from a range of building data and documents such as 2D plans or the 3D model. We have created customizable dashboards so that the building safety managers have an overview of key safety information at an organisational level, using dashboards to view and manage safety, drilling down to specific buildings and flats directly from the dashboard. The tool stores and enables management of key documents, such as personal emergency evacuation plans, which are accessed and viewed from the building level. They can be updated, printed or downloaded as required. Details of single components within the building are also accessible. You can view details related to fire doors, their relevant certification and associated documents such as manuals. The tool is intuitive and easy to use. Altair and CADline will work with you to customise DynamicAIM to your organisation's needs. Altair have unrivaled experience and expertise in this area. We've already been working with clients on their journeys towards better building data, safer buildings, and to develop safety cases. To discuss the safety case and requirements of the Building Safety Act, and how we can help, contact the Building Safety team at Altair